Hello and welcome to our troubleshooting series in which we will teach you everything related to the maintenance, proper operation, and replacement of parts in your LED display. You will not need specialized tools or a great technical background. It is important to know that for each product there are some variations, but we will let you know how to act in each situation. For the replacement of modules, we have two large families that differentiate the procedure: indoor and outdoor panels. To replace a module, we will follow the following steps. We can replace panels both from the front and back. It is advisable to do the replacements with the screen on and with the image running so we can verify a good performance. In this type of replacement, there is no risk of electric shock. Step 1. To do it from the back side, we will only need to push gently but firmly the module in question that we want to replace towards the front. This will allow the module to detach from the chassis so that it can be removed. If it is not in one of the corners of the screen, to remove the module from the front, we will have to use the LED vacuum or the hand tool. For outdoor panels, we will have to remove the corresponding screws on the edges of the module in question in order to remove the module and make the desired replacement. Step 2. In order to remove the module completely, you will need to disconnect the power and signal cables located in the center wing of the module. To remove them, just press them out and move the cable slightly to the sides if it is too tight. Step 3. On 500 by 500 mm and 500 by 1000 mm panels, the modules can be located on the right or left side of the chassis, so check the replacement to be used before attempting to install it. To identify it, always check that the power connector of the module is below the signal connector. On all other series of panels, it is not necessary to identify the modules as they are all the same. Step 4. To put the module back, simply repeat the process in reverse. Connect the power and signal cables back into the module. Then place the module in place and align the images with the chassis, making sure that the cables are not pressed and the module is in perfect level with the others inside the chassis. We hope you have found it useful. For more information, remember that you can continue watching our video series or go to our website www.greckoled.com and schedule a virtual appointment with one of our experts.